The night the jungle stopped breathing began with a scream. Under the silver moon, the old Lion King lay wounded beside the river, his golden crown covered in mud and blood. Animals hid in fear while whispers spread through the dark trees' ends. The king has been betrayed. Only one tiny bunny.
While the jungle held its breath in fear, one small heart beat with courage. Benny the bunny could not ignore the whisper of betrayal. That very night, Benny slipped through the shadows toward the storage cave, determined to uncover the truth behind the king's wound. Inside the cave's shadow, Benny found strange orange fur, but he was not alone. A sly figure stepped into the moonlight.
Felix the fox stepped from the shadows with a dangerous smile. You should stop searching, little bunny, before something bad happens. Benny stood brave, his heart filled with truth. The tiny bunny knew that lies could not stay hidden forever. The next morning, chaos erupted across the jungle. Felix loudly accused the honest king of stealing the food. Leo looked at his people with deep sadness. I have ruled with honesty my whole life. I would never steal from you. Whispers spread like wildfire. Some animals started doubting their beloved king. The jungle was falling into fear and confusion. Only Benny refused to believe the lies. The tiny bunny knew he had to find proof before it was too late for the honest king. Benny's heart ached seeing his beloved king so broken. In that moment, the tiny bunny silently promised to fight for justice. As Benny set out with new purpose, Felix felt the first crack in his plan. Doubt began to creep into the clever fox's heart. Deep near the cave, Benny found clear proof: orange fox fur and tiny paw prints that revealed the true traitor. With this clear evidence in his paws, Benny now knew the truth. He felt a rush of courage to save his king. Benny hurried back and showed the proof to his king. For the first time, hope returned to the old lion's wise eyes. The jungle meeting was about to begin. With proof in hand, Benny prepared to reveal the real traitor. The animals gathered anxiously by the river as the meeting began. Benny stepped forward with the truth in his small paws. Benny showed the orange fur and fox prints. The animals gasped as they realized the king had been betrayed. Monkey and deer confirmed what they saw. Felix had made the fake lion marks. The truth was now out. Felix tried to escape, but the old Lion King blocked his way. Even wounded, Leo stood strong and wise. Felix finally confessed. I only wanted power, he whispered in shame. The jungle fell completely silent. Leo replied with kindness. I will not answer evil with evil. You must work hard and repair the damage you caused. Felix lowered his head in deep shame. For the first time, he understood the true cost of his lies. Benny's courage had saved the day. The animals looked at the tiny bunny with newfound respect and love. Power without honesty destroys everything. But honesty and wisdom bring peace that lasts forever. Leo looked at the tiny bunny with deep gratitude. Thank you, Benny. Your courage and wisdom saved our jungle. Felix accepted his punishment with a heavy heart. He promised to work honestly and repair all the harm he had done. From that day forward, the jungle lived in peace once again. Honesty had triumphed over lies. Honesty and wisdom are stronger than lies, tricks, and selfish power. A tiny bunny taught us all that truth always wins. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful tales.